Hi, we are hearing a lot of news. We are seeing a lot of videos coming these days in social media that there is a huge market crash which is going to come either in 2026 or in 2027. I get a lot of queries saying that what should I do? There's a market crash which is coming. Should I withdraw all my money and keep it in a safer options? In last 3 decades, there have been many incidents where we all felt the market would correct, and sometimes it has corrected, sometimes it has not. And it is very difficult to predict or time the market correction. So the question should not be will the market correct or not. The question should be what should I do with these all news circulating? Will it affect me or not? So here are simple things which you need to ask yourself so that you understand whether you should act or not. If you need money in next 2 to 3 years for the goals which you have been investing already for a long time, and that money is in equity or equity mutual fund, then definitely you need to reassess your requirements, understand how much you may need, and move that money to a little safer zone, because next 2 to 3 years is a very short term when it comes to equity mutual funds. So taking care of your goals is the primary requirement in this case, and if there is a market correction, it might impact achieving your goals. So in that case, you should understand whether you need that money in what time horizon and move it to a little more safer zone. But if your goals are quite far away, say 5, 6 years, or even 10 years, 15 years, I don't think you need to worry about the market crash. Yes, definitely the value of your investments might come down temporarily, but you need to understand that these market ups and downs are part and parcel of the journey, and market corrections are the time when you actually get an opportunity to make money. So what you should not do is you should not stop your SIPs, because SIPs generally work well in your favor when markets are correcting. Do not pay too much attention to these headlines or such videos which can derail your journey towards financial independence. In case your goals are far away, do not exit any of your investments in panic. If you don't need that money now, and if you have sufficient money for your short to medium term goals, you don't need to do anything about your equity funds. In fact, if there is a market correction and if you have money to invest with a 5 6 years time horizon, during that time you can add some more money if there is a correction. This will help you to average your cost further and make some good returns in the short to medium term. Third and the last thing is, do not wait for the market correction. If you have money to be invested and that money is for long term, you can plan to start investing immediately. So if it is an SIP, you don't need to worry. It will do its work when the market corrects. If you have lump sum money, then in that case, you can opt for systematic transfer plan where money is first invested into safer funds like liquid fund, and then on a regular basis moved from liquid fund to the targeted equity funds. So these are the things which you should do and not worry about if there is a market correction or not. But the most important thing, whatever I said is very generic. So you should ensure that you talk to your advisor or a mutual fund distributor and see what is more relevant for you. Most important thing is, do not act or react because there is so much of negativity about the markets, be it AI bubble or anything. The best thing to do is stay invested, and market rewards people who invest with consistency and stay disciplined. Happy investing, and I hope this video helps you.